Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chum Chompkins from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two ovals on an angle, leaving a gap in between. Then let's add another oval inside. And color these both in black. Now tap on top of each eye and let's draw a curve up and down for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of each eye and let's draw a curve up and curve it in, leaving a small gap in the center. Now on top, let's draw two curves out and back in. And one more on top. Now we're going to move back down and let's continue the head under the eyes by curving it out. And then let's curve it back in at the bottom. And then one more bump on each side. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and draw the mouth. Let's start under each eye and let's draw two small curves in. Then let's bring it down and in on each side. And two more points to close off the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. On each side, let's draw a long curve out and bring it in at the end. And then a bump down and out. Now before we continue the arms, let's move in and let's draw the hands. Inside in the center here, let's draw two curves up and out, having them touch in the center. And then let's curve it down from the top. Now let's move back to the center and let's draw two bumps out. And another bump down on each side. And then let's bring it down and up. Now to close it off, let's add three bumps going down like this. Now let's move back to the center and let's draw two more bumps on each side underneath. Two more again. A curve down. And let's bring it in towards the center. And then a bump out for the thumbs. And then to close off the hands, let's add one more curve out. And that's it for the hands. Now we can move out and finish drawing the arms. At the top, let's add a small bump out. Curve it up. And a long curve out like this. Now let's hop back out and let's add a bump out on each side. And another one down. And then let's close off the bottom of each arm with a curve back in. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and let's finish drawing the body. Let's start underneath each arm and let's draw a bump down and back up. Then a curve down. A bump underneath. And then two more, bringing them in towards the center. And then let's close off the torso by drawing a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw the belly patch. Let's start in between the hands on top of the thumbs here and let's draw a curve across. And let's curve it down on each side. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the torso. Lastly, underneath, let's draw the legs. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out and up. And the same on the right. Now underneath, let's draw a bump down. And then let's hop to the outside and let's draw a curve out and in on each side. And another bump underneath. Now for the toes, let's start in the center and we're going to draw a curve up and down like this. And a curve at the bottom. Now for the next toe, let's add a curve out and back in. And then one more to finish off each foot. And that's it for Chum Chompkins. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!